GBC Fundraising serves communities of all sizes. From 500 to 7,000 plus calendars, we can show you how to make a reliable income year after year. A smaller project may look like this. 500 calendars are distributed, and 36 ads are sold for $200 each. After deducting the cost of the calendars, a profit of $4,000 plus is generated. We see an average donation of $6 per calendar distributed, projecting another $3,000 in donations, for a total project profit of $7,000 plus. For a real-world example of a small department doing great things, check out our case study of the Himrod Fire Department. Are we going a little bigger? Let's assume 3,000 calendars are distributed with ads sold for $325 each. Calendar profit is again over $4,000. We project donations to reach $18,000 for a total project profit of over $20,000. View our Evansville Fire Department case study to see how they generated almost $30,000. We have departments of all sizes doing projects their way and achieving excellent results. We will work with you to establish distribution volume, suggested ad pricing, and calendar features and layouts, but you ultimately decide the details of your project and how high you want to set your fundraising goals. As you begin your journey with GBC Fundraising, you will be thrilled to see your organization's earning potential unfold.